Welcome everyone to the first video of the Introduction to RMSP tutorial. The Introduction to Python and Jupyter Notebooks have been covered by a separate series for which we are gonna place the link in the comments below. As you can see, I already have a Jupyter Notebook loaded on my screen. This notebook is going to be used for loading drilling data from CSV files. We are going to inspect metadata from the different classes that handle the different data types. We are going to do quick inspections and validations of the drilling data. We are going to cover the surveying and compositing, and also how to export the drilling data, the processed drilling data, to different formats that can be used in the next step of your workflow or to export and load in a different software. You can see at the left side here that our working folder contains our notebook, and at the same folder where our notebook is sitting, we also have this data folder, and inside the data folder we have assay.csv, color, geological logs, and survey data. These are the main data files that we're going to be working with on this session. Also, this notebook that I'm working with is not available on our documentation, and anytime I present a notebook that's not available on our documentation, we are going to make it available in the comments below for you to download. And we will also add links to related documentation so that you can see other cases related to what I'm showing. Back to the notebook. So on this tutorial series, you're gonna see that I'm gonna be using some empty notebooks with some markdown cells and empty code cells. This is just to guide us through all the steps that we need to take in order to achieve the final goal of this session. For this session, we are gonna start loading the Python packages that we're gonna use. We're gonna use RMSP, and we are gonna use pandas. We also need to activate the license. License activation is covered on the Python installation and RMSP installation tutorial. You will be able to find the link in the comments below. It is also good practice to document the packages versions that were used to run a notebook, so that in the future, if you want to reproduce your results, you can make sure that you're using a similar environment. So to do that, we use rmsp.support, and this will print on the screen the package versions of the main packages that you used for this notebook. This is also useful when you request some support. RMS team may request that you send the output of this function to help with the support.